Hey everyone, this is my 1-minute microwave brownie. In this recipe, you need to mix all the dry ingredients together. That's the flour, the dark brown sugar, the cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Give the dry ingredients a good stir. Next, we're gonna add the milk, the coconut oil, and the vanilla essence. Just half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, not half a bottle. For those new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. Thank you so much. Now add the chocolate chips and stir. But make sure do not stir too much because the oil may separate. Put it in the microwave and cook for 1 minute. All microwave cook differently. The best way to check if it's cooked already is to press the top of it. It should be fluffy. If you love chocolate brownie, this is the recipe for you. So simple, so easy, so delicious.